On today's body cam, we're checking out if Psycho Woman finally gets what she deserves.
What's that? I am here for you.
Oh, well, can I just go in the back seat? Let's get this over with.
Go in the back seat and get you. Why do you want to go to jail?
What the fuck are you doing here?
Because the clerk called me for you.
The clerk's a piece of...
What is...
Does he not have long hair?
What's your name again?
Oh my God, Missy fucking...
All right, Missy fucking... What is your problem tonight?
I'm bidding.
You are obviously having a really, really bad day.
It may have been a bad decade, it may be a bad life. It's my choice.
Well...
Just let me go to the back seat, hook me up. I hope you got the canine.
Why do I need canine?
Officer?
No, why do I need a canine?
I don't know. I like to play with dogs, dumbass.
32.
And are you Baker after me or not? My car's broke down.
It's going to be the same subject from 178's traffic stop
Jesus
from earlier.
Christ.
So what is the problem tonight? Where are you trying to go?
Flomaton.
All right, well, you're a little ways from Flomaton.
No shit, and I'm too fucking fat to walk. That's the reason.
Okay, you can call an Uber.
I don't know how to do Uber, and you want me to pay Uber when they got a worse car? No, hell no. From here to Flomaton, you think I look rich? I don't even have my fake teeth in, dumbass. I can't see you. All I see is that red light. So either I will willingly, you know what?
What's that?
I think I shot a cop 2 states over.
You think you shot a cop
I
2
think.
states over? What
Yep.
makes you think you shot a cop?
Because I like to play with a BB gun, and then all of a sudden my right eye got shot out. So I don't know if I shot him or he shot me. Can I go now?
Where are you going?
Okay.
Hello? Where are you going? Does your car drive? What was that? No? Okay. You need a tow truck? Okay. Well, pick up your phone and call a tow truck then.
I don't know how.
You dial 411 or you Google a tow truck company and you call them out here.
And then what? From here, it's like 100 miles. And don't they charge like $1 a mile or 10 cents a
I
mile?
have no idea.
Well, then go the fuck on unless you're not gonna Baker act me.
Why do you want to go to the hospital?
Because I'm fucking tired and I like crafts.
All right. Toodles. Wow. Well, let's hope your day goes better. You keep your music down. The Tom Thumb is asking you to keep your music down as well, okay?
Oh, tell him he can't even hear. Did you see how long his hair is?
221-199.
And I don't mean to offend you because he was a little right up top.
221, stand by. 214, go ahead with your traffic.
See his dog with that. I thought it was
Libra Union Robert 17, ZUR 17. 30 miles is
Good
946.
God, you're having a bad day.
946.
Yeah, but what's the outcome of this? Because if she's broken down and she's not gonna get a tow truck or a ride out of there, she can't just sit there all night. So what we doing?
I'm sorry. I'm walking over here now. Well, she is certainly having a bad day.
Yeah, I understand.
We stopped her earlier, and she was acting the same way.
That's why I said she just seemed a little twitchy to me. And like I said, I haven't said anything. It's been, it's 1:30. It's been 3.5 hours she's been sitting out there.
Okay.
And no problem. She just sat in her car, so I wasn't saying anything.
Right.
But then I was sitting out here smoking a cigarette, and all of a sudden, music just started blasting out of her car. So I walked over to her and I asked, tapped on the window and tried to ask her to turn it down. And she started screaming at me, just going, get away from me, get away from me, get away from me, get away from me.
Yeah.
And so I tried to talk over and say, look, you need to turn that down, or I'm going to have to call the police. Well, she just kept screaming at me, so that's when I called you guys.
Okay. She's not playing it now.
That's all right.
She's not playing the music now. What do you want to do?
Right before you got here, and it sounded like she had at least turned it down because I think she saw me calling the police.
Okay. What do you want to do?
I can't sign a trespass warrant, so
Okay.
I was going to let her sit out there until my manager got in the morning. and see what she wants to do about it.
It says the car broke down. I don't know how true that is.
Well, I know that she can't get it started.
All right, take care now. You too. 10-4.
Oh, the music crazy loud.
Hello? Hello?
Can I go now?
Well, you're free to leave at any time, but if you're gonna stay here,
I gotta do what?
if you're going to stay here, the clerk wants you to keep the music down.
And the clerk is whose boss? Mine? I don't want...
You're on private property, yes.
Okay, so can we push me over there?
I'm not pushing you anywhere.
You got a damn bumper guy.
I'm not gonna do that.
Well then, guess what?
What?
I'm gonna kill the clerk. What time is it now?
32, roll me another unit.
It's 1:31. You go
Correct.
this way, I'll go this way, and I can grab you back in 2 minutes time instead of have one eye out.
Any unit in the area of Tom Thumb Hickory Hammock 32, do you want me to ask?
Oh, she's nuts.
Uber's closer.
Should I discount it?
I can't hear you. There you go.
Yeah, back it up, because you know you want me to stand behind there, put my hands in the back. I can put my own cuffs on, because your cuffs are never small enough.
Yeah, that could be around.
Thank you. So
Okay.
now can I go?
All right, go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
Highway 87, Tom Thumb Hickory Hammock.
Put your hands behind your back. Just relax. Just relax.
You relax.
Drop your keys. Drop your keys.
No.
Drop your keys.
I said no.
Drop your keys or you're going to the floor.
Motherfucker. But your mom.
Give me traffic.
Boy. Yeah, look, I'm 32, man, and I don't want to hit the floor like that. Could you imagine being in your 60s or whatever, however old she is, man, hitting the ground? Ooh, wait.
Proud.
You gonna feel that tomorrow.
Oh, did you get a kick in the back? Get the goddamn shit on right. The cuffs are never small
28
enough.
36.
I will hand it to you in a minute.
Drop your fucking cuffs. Drop them. Drop your keys. Drop your fucking keys. Right fucking now. One detained. Give me traffic. Clear traffic. Would you stop that?
No!
What is your problem?
None of your fucking business!
What is your problem today? Oh, that's wonderful.
I like this asshole.
I'm the asshole?
Yeah,
You've been giving everybody problems since early this evening.
I don't give a shit.
What is your problem?
Fuck off. Just carry me to the fucking car. You're gonna need zip.
Nope. Nope. Now we gotta wait for other units to get here.
I don't care.
What's your name again?
I don't remember.
You don't remember your name?
No,
Why not?
it's fat, so you can get your hand off.
Well, yeah, it's gonna hurt. When you pull away from me,
Because it's fucking bleeding.
nothing's bleeding.
It will be. Go away or let me get up.
You're not getting up till I get another unit here.
What do you think?
Here you go. Battery on LEO says you wanted to shoot the clerk. So let's go ahead and get up. Come on, stand up. Stand up.
Touch me.
Got that, son? Stand up. Let's go. We're walking to my car.
Go to the car. Left or right?
Inside.
Okay, now you got yourself another job. How's that?
I don't fucking
Not get
care.
straight on me.
Got her.
Open the door.
Hang on. Get this out of here. Go ahead and put her in there. Get her in
Oh
there.
shit! I got myself in.
Well, sit in. Get in.
I said I'd get myself in.
Get in the fucking car.
Give me a
You might need.
You okay, sir?
Yeah, I'm fine. All right.
Come on out.
What are you doing?
Don't fight me. Don't fight me. Wait, she got a seatbelt.
She's trying to grab me.
Put that seatbelt over there.
Come on, get out. Get out. Let go of that mask. Come on.
God damn. Yo, and you know, at the end of the day, these officers really don't want to do that because it's not normal. One, it's not normal for men to really to hit women in general, right? But then on the flip side of that, it's not normal for men to hit old ladies. Like, this chick is old, but at the end of the day, that's a part of your job. You got to get her together. And then she said, "Look, your cuffs is never tight anyways. So I'm gonna hand it to you in a couple of minutes anyway. I'm gonna hand it back to you." Something like that she said earlier. And that's exactly what she did. Took them goddamn cuffs right off, man. Damn.
Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. Hand behind your back. Stay right there.
She just got hit with some shit, boy.
Legs forward.
Got it.
One.
Ew.
Stop grabbing. Stop grabbing.
Stop grabbing it.
Stop grabbing.
Stop.
Melissa was charged with battery on an officer ×3 and resisting with violence and was given a $20,000 cash bond. After pleading not guilty in April, the court ordered a psychological evaluation to determine if the defendant was mentally fit to stand trial. The judge has now ruled that the defendant is competent to proceed, and the next court hearing is scheduled for July 30th. Because there...
Subscribe, let the 808 slide.